almost forgot how to tell the aimbot.
Lawrence County in northeastern Kentucky, Boone County in central West Virginia, Kanawha County in central West Virginia,
Oh,
central
that's
Lincoln
Charleston.
County in central West Virginia, Roane County in central West Virginia, Clay County in north central West Virginia, southeastern Jackson County in
I didn't
northwestern
notice
West
that.
Virginia, Logan County in southern West Virginia, Mingo County in southern West Virginia, southeastern Wayne County in western West Virginia, until 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. At 1:17 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, Doppler radar indicated heavy rain moving back into the warned area. Flooding is ongoing across much of the area, and additional flooding is likely. Between 1 and 3 inches of rain have fallen this weekend, with another 1 to 2 inches still possible. Some locations that will experience flooding include Charleston, Nitro, Williamson, Madison, Spencer, Logan, Clay, Jefferson, South Charleston, St. Albans, Dunbar, Sissonville, Montgomery, Chesapeake, Marmet, Bell, Chapmanville, Clendenin, Cedar Grove, and East Bank. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. Stay away or be swept away. River banks and culverts can become unstable and unsafe.